Okay, so you understood this chart properly, how the evolution of the humans had started.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that was the entire tree of the primates. Okay, so now we have to understand, after you got this broader picture, now it is clear that the earliest beginning of the human beings started from the chimpanzees onwards. Okay, and their development, adaptations and all took over, natural selection operated, genetic changes and all happened, and finally we had this one after the other different human species. Okay, the directly this modern day human beings did not arise. It was over a period of generations. Okay, or many different types of humans all over the world. So this is the thing which is given in your textbook also. The same picture I have included. So there are, see, whenever you are studying about the evolution in case of human beings, we do not have a complete record as such. Okay, we can only rely upon the fossils which are available. So across different parts of the world, there are a lot of fossils which are available based on human beings that happened or roamed around the earth that time. Okay, so those fossils were studied by a lot of paleontologists, archaeologists, and based on that we have reconstructed कि ऐसा humans दिखता होगा. So it's like this flowchart tells you a complete story. See, around ancient animals like the lemurs and lorises, primates ka beginning. Okay, they were around how many years ago? You can see it is 7 crore, I suppose. Okay, how many zeros are there? 7 zeros, so 7 crore. Okay, around that time these animals started and they had a tail. Then the first record of a very ancient human is a fossil which is known as Egyptopithecus, which is around 4 crore years ago. That means evolving from the chimpanzees. Okay, pronounce this name, all of you. Egyptopithecus.
Egyptopithecus.
Bolo. Yes, Shivganga.
Egyptopithecus.
Yes, Egyptopithecus. Ishika, bol.
Egyptopithecus.
Yes. Okay, spelling pronunciation याद रखना है. This is very important. Okay, Shivganga, where are you? Okay, so these are the different evolved fossils of the humans that we know. First one was Egyptopithecus. उसके बाद देखो another 2.5 crore years ago there was a very ancient one called Dryopithecus. Okay, we cannot call it a complete chimpanzee, neither a complete human. ये transition stages. But during these years, can you see something going on? Earlier walking on 4 legs, then it is becoming slightly quadrupedal, followed by completely bipedal. दिख रहा है? That is one major transition or landmark point that happened during the course of evolution. कि man was able to walk erect. And that happened because over a period of generations, there was a change in the structure of the backbone and the spinal cord which happened. That led to this change. Okay, and it helped man to survive better. Okay, so Dryopithecus is called as an ancient ape-like man. Okay, it is not a complete man nor a complete ape, but ऐसा एक plan था, Dryopithecus. Okay, so pronounce this word Dryopithecus. बोलो.
Dryopithecus.
Yes. बोलो इशिका. सुंदर.
Dryopithecus.
Yes.
Dryopithecus.
Correct. Okay. Then you see around 1 crore years ago. Difference notice करते जाओ. This is called Ramapithecus. Okay. Now this are names of fossils that we know. In सबके नाम में देखना Pithecus करके ending common. They are the fossils that we are aware about. Okay. And fossils मतलब we don't get the fossils of entire human beings because the fleshy parts and all will decompose. तो fossils के नाम पे क्या मिलता है? either their entire teeth or the bones or some bones of the body, not all the bones. So whatever material is available, according to that it is studied. उनका करते हैं radiocarbon dating. And radiocarbon dating जब करते हैं वो टेक्निक से पता चलता है what is the age of the fossil. There is a technique which the archaeologists do. Okay, because see, in any part of the world you might get bones and all anywhere, so you never know कि वो bone fossil का है या कोई recent animal या इंसान का. Okay, now this word if you see Ramapithecus, it sounds a bit of an Indian word. ये correct है because ये इंडिया में इसका fossil मिला. Okay, present day Uttarakhand, the foothills of the Himalayas, which are called the Shivalik hills, उसके पास ये fossil मिला हुआ. तो उसका नाम रख दिया Ramapithecus. There is another fossil over there which was found, उसका नाम रखा था Shivapithecus. So whatever fossil was available, discovered by anybody in the world, okay, sometimes these limestone mine workers, okay, या दूसरे जो construction workers होते हैं, इनको मिल जाते हैं fossils. The important thing is that they should be reported to the Archaeological Survey of India. Then they will collect the specimen. Okay, they will test the radiocarbon dating, age वगैरह पता चलेगा. Then they will see what are the other features, and accordingly the details will be known. Okay, so Ramapithecus was found to be around 1 crore years ago. Then there was this another fossil called Australopithecus. Observe each and every feature. See what is changing in their faces. उनका mouth देखो कैसा है, उनका nose देखो कैसा है. See their chin. Okay, see their posture, how it is changing. Okay, see their hands and legs, the fingers. See the amount of the body hair that is changing. So many things which you are able to see, which are changing from one man to the other. And another very important landmark thing that happened during human evolution was the opposable thumb. We have a thumb. Imagine doing any work without using your thumb. Try to hold the pen and write something without using your thumb. Try it and see. Thumb को use किए बिना pen पकड़ के लिखो. Let me know if you are able to do it properly without using your thumb in any way. Imagine as if you don't have a thumb. Are you able to do it? कैसा लग रहा है? Yes, Shiv Ganga, did you write something without using your thumb? Can I see what you have
Yes,
written?
sir.
Is it your normal handwriting?
Not at all.
Not at all. Sundar, Ishika, बिना थंब यूज किए कुछ हो रहा है? Imagine holding a glass of water without using the thumb. Can you hold it? No. Sundar is trying. Very good. Are you able to hold it, Sundar, without using the thumb? You might be able to hold it to some extent, but एकदम thumb के बिना, it is not easy. It's difficult, right? Imagine you are eating food. चपाती खा रहे, suppose चपाती को तोड़ो बिना thumb use किए. Is it possible? Tonight while having dinner, you can try that and revise. Right? So that means in our day-to-day activities, thumb is such an important thing. है कि नहीं? And बाकी सारे fingers और thumb के बीच में compare करो, all the other fingers have limited mobility, but a thumb is a freely movable one. उसको बोलते हैं opposable thumb. And during this course of evolution in the man from Dryopithecus onwards, opposable thumb का भी development हुआ, and that was a very very useful thing. That is why it is shown over here. You can see the man is holding a tool. दिख रहा है? ये कुछ हाथ में पकड़ा हुआ है, ये बड़े tools को पकड़े हुए हैं. This is possible to hold because man was able to get that thumb. That was another big discovery, yeah, evolutionary feature. So one was quadrupedal to bipedal. Secondly, of course, the development of the brain also. Okay. Thirdly, the opposable thumb, right? And the other important thing, if you can say, is the reduction in the body hair. That was also important point. So compared to the chimpanzees, we have comparatively very less body hair. Okay. Intelligence was another thing. So like this, you have to notice in this diagram. You don't have to draw this diagram, of course, but ये जो नाम दिए हैं fossils के, you have to remember the names in the correct order. Okay. So ये जो है Australopithecus, 4 lakh or 40 lakh years ago. Okay. ये fossil मिला था recently. ठीक है. उसके बाद then the skilled humans started. Like here, all the names are not given. There is something called Peking man, Java man. ऐसे अलग अलग है fossils. So here, whatever is given, let's restrict to that. Okay. And there is something, Neanderthal man is given over here. Okay. So this was the first man around 15 lakh years ago, when the first man with the erect posture started, completely erect posture. Okay, that was around 15 lakh years ago. Skilled humans, matlab man was able to use certain stones or certain whatever materials available in the nature, and you had to make something out of it. History mein padha hoga, stone tools, because man wanted to use it, animals ko marne ke liye, to protect oneself, or to break some parts of a plant or something, anything. So ये skills develop हुआ. Skills develop हुआ मतलब brain develop हुआ. Getting it? So then man with the erect posture started, and then followed by Neanderthal man. Okay, there was something called Heidelberg man also. ऐसे अलग-अलग है, but here we'll see these names only. Neanderthal man around 1,50,000 years ago, not very much behind. Neanderthal man में development was more, along with the erect posture. Okay, man started developing more tools and all. Fire वगैरह का discovery हुआ था उस time पे. Okay, and fire was a very important discovery in the Stone Age. Okay, accidentally some stones and all were rubbed, sparks were arise, dry leaves वगैरह आग पकड़ लिए. First, initially man did not understand कि आग पकड़ लिए तो क्या है करके. Okay, because man was completely at the mercy of nature. Even when there was rainfall, lightning and all, man did not understand what was it. Slowly with development of the brain, man understood everything around. Okay, so earlier man was used to have a nomadic life. Caves में रहते थे, tree tops के ऊपर रहते थे, बस घूमते रहते थे. Whatever they used to get, they used to just eat it. When fire was discovered, what happened? Man accidentally tasted something which was burnt, and it was found to be more tasty. कि कच्चा खाए उससे अच्छा पका कर खाए. So earliest form of cooking started. कि पहले जब ये एनिमल मैटर एनिमल्स को पकड़ते थे, फ्लैश डायरेक्टली कच्चा खाते थे, मजबूरी था, खाना पड़ता था. बट देन व्हेन फायर वाज डिस्कवर्ड, मैन डिस्कवर्ड कि अरे मैं इसका बारबेक्यू बना के खा सकता हूँ, और ज्यादा मजा आने लगा. गेटिंग इट? एंड देन फायर के वजह से मैन ने डिस्कवर किया कि फायर इज समथिंग व्हिच कीप्स अवे द वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. मैन को कितने वाइल्ड एनिमल्स भी अटैक करते थे, बट फायर से डरते थे वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. व्हेन मैन नोटिस दिस, मैन पुट इट टू गुड यूज. कि केव्स में रहते थे, केव्स के एंट्रेंस में आग लगा दिया. नो एनिमल विल कम इनसाइड एंड अटैक द मैन. सो ये सब डेवलपमेंट होते रहा धीरे 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 करके. So that thing you have studied in history. Okay, development of the stone tools, the metal tools, and so many things. ऐसे करते करते Cro-Magnon man around 50,000 years ago. Okay, अभी जो modern man है, we are the ones which are modern man, the Homo sapiens. हमारे immediate ancestors अगर human beings में कोई है, तो that is Cro-Magnon man, around 50,000 years ago. Okay, this Cro-Magnon man was the one which was the second most modern man before the present day human beings. इनके टाइम पे इवन लॉट ऑफ सुपरस्टिशियस बिलीव्स, customs and rituals and so many things that start. Okay, जो जैसे for example, if somebody died that time, so their bodies were buried with certain rituals. ऐसे हमें bodies मिलते हैं, fossils मिलते हैं, which were buried with some customs. Okay, it was believed that when a person died, उसका दूसरा कोई life शुरू होता है, ऐसे टाइम पे वो सब belief शुरू हो गया. Okay, so all these practices and all this started, and man started living a settled life. अचानक से कभी देख लिया मैन ने कि कोई प्लांट्स के सीड्स है, अगर मैंने सॉइल में छोड़ दिया, it germinates and you get a new plant out of it. So man understood that phenomenon कि I don't need to search for things, I can grow my plants that I want. So a primitive form of agriculture started. कि instead of roaming around and searching for food and all, I can stay at one place, I can grow whatever I want, I can eat my food. So a basic civilization started. कि मैन अपने अपने ग्रुप में रहने लगे, जिनको फैमिली वाला कंसेप्ट आ गया. ओके, एंड देन द एग्रीकल्चर, कुकिंग टेक्निक्स, ऑल दिस स्टार्टेड. फिर करते करते फाइनली अर्लीस्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, द मॉडर्न डे ह्यूमंस. अंडरस्टूड? So if you go back around 7 crore years ago, we were like lemurs, and we are the ones today dominating the earth. कैसा लगा ह्यूमंस का जर्नी? Yes, and all this we are able to understand because we have lot of evidences. We have these kind of cave paintings जो उस टाइम पे मैन बनाते थे केव में रहते वक्त. They used to use any available plant material or something जिससे कलर्स मिलता था, एंड ऐसे ड्राइंग वगैरह करते थे. उस टाइम का बना हुआ है. एंड वो क्या बनाएंगे? ऑब्वियसली दे कैन नॉट ड्रॉ बायोलॉजिकल डायग्राम्स. जो नेचर में उस टाइम पे दिखेगा, दे यूज्ड टू ड्रॉ ओनली दैट. सो व्हाटएवर दे यूज्ड टू ड्रॉ, we got an idea कि उस टाइम पे ऐसा दिखता था. There were animals like this. Man used to kill them using spears and all. ये man हमें खुद बता के गए उनके drawings में. So these are very good evidences. Okay, if possible, I have read today's Hindustan Times newspaper. उसमें देखो आज के ही पेपर में दिया हुआ है, दिल्ली और एनसीआर मतलब दिल्ली के सराउंडिंग वाले प्लेसेस में, समवेयर इन हरियाणा ऑल्सो, वहां पे केव्स के पेंटिंग्स डिस्कवर हुए, which are very ancient ones. There's a photograph which is shown. If possible, if you are having that, Hindustan Times देखो. If possible, I will take out a photograph and send it to all of you. Read that. Okay, that's a latest article. इसलिए मैं newspaper वगैरह पढ़ो. You get lot of interesting updates based on all this. Okay, ये सब चीजें ऐसा नहीं कि टेक्स्ट बुक तक ही रह गया, बहुत कुछ नया नया आते रहते हैं, पढ़ना चाहिए. Okay, we get this kind of tools also which man had prepared that time. कितना अच्छा से शेप दिया है, पॉइंटेड शार्प वगैरह दिए हैं, है ना? So man understood that. See this. उस टाइम का एक ancient grave, a person who died was buried over here. उसके बोन से देखो. तो एक प्रॉपर ऐसा पिट बनाकर उसमें पर्सन को सुलाया गया. दैट मीन्स ये ऐसा नहीं कि कहीं मरकर ऐसे ही छोड़ दिए, ये प्रॉपर ब्यूरियल हुआ है. This happened somewhere around Cro-Magnon के टाइम पे. We get these evidences. Getting it? Okay. See this. An artistic reconstruction कि उस टाइम पे मैन कैसे रहते होंगे. Getting it? Even in today's world, at many places in the remote corners of the world, अपने इंडिया में अगर बोला जाए तो you have the Nicobar Islands, okay, या हवाई आइलैंड्स, पैसिफिक में ऐसे आइलैंड्स हैं जहाँ पे आज भी ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज रहते हैं. The Adivasis and the tribal communities that you see. Okay, even they are not fully civilized. उनके lifestyles भी देखो, they are very similar to the ancient humans. Not very ancient, but at least the earlier humans. So we have such tribal communities today also. Okay, जो अभी तक पूरी तरह civilized नहीं हो पाए. And there are people who are cannibals. What are cannibals? Cannibals किसको बोलते हैं?
Carnivores.
कार्निवोर्स का भी एक टाइप है. कैनिबल मतलब एनी ऑर्गेनिज्म ईटिंग इट्स ओन स्पीशीज. तो ऐसे भी ट्राइबल्स रहते हैं. निकोबार आइलैंड्स वगैरह अगर जाते हैं तो दे those human beings they will catch any other human beings and they will eat them. एंड उनके अगेंस्ट ये मर्डर चार्ज वगैरह नहीं लगता बिकॉज दे लिव लाइक दैट. गेटिंग इट. एक रिसेंटली ऐसा हुआ था. एक अमेरिकन सिटीजन एज अ टूरिस्ट ही वेंट ऑल द वे टू दोस निकोबार आइलैंड्स. गवर्नमेंट ने वार्न भी किया था कि नहीं जाना है करके. बिकॉज ऐसी जगह पर जाते हैं तो इट्स द गवर्नमेंट already declares that if you go it is at your own risk because the tribals are like that. They don't, like, they have not yet civilized, so there cannot be any case against them. So they literally caught them and ate them. उसका कोई पता नहीं है. ऐसे हुआ है cases. They are cannibals. Okay, so there are some communities who are not yet fully evolved. ठीक है. That's how the modern humans started. Okay, ये देखो. From the chimpanzees onwards, finally, आज हम लोग ऐसे बैठे हैं. Getting it? बट ये हमारे पूर्वज हैं जो ऊपर से अपने आशीर्वाद दिए जा रहे हैं. Right? How did you like it? But evolution is something which never stops. ये भी याद रखना. Evolution is a continuous process. Today also we are evolving, and we never know millions of years down the line how will we look. अगर इंसान बचा तो. Because whatever we are doing to the environment, whatever we are doing to the earth, life is not going to sustain for very long. Right? Because इंसान को जो सबसे ज्यादा मिला evolution में वो है developed brain, because of which we are able to understand the surroundings and we are able to modify the surroundings. Okay, and we can survive better. समझा? कैसा लगा evolution? Yes. How is the story now? कैसा लगा?
Nice.
Yes. अच्छी तरह से you got a clear picture how the process of evolution took place and how did we arise, है ना? So that finishes with the first lesson of your science 2 finally. ठीक है? Quickly ready to answer some questions based on the entire topic.
Yes.
Okay, so first answer, ladies first. Shiv Ganga. ठीक है? First question for you. बोल. Read the question, tell the answer.
Radioactive carbon dating method is used to determine the dash of the fossil
Hmm?
age.
Is the age. Agree with this?
Yes.
The answer is age. Correct. Ishika, next one for you. Ready? Ishika? That's your question. Bolo. Read the question, tell the answer.
The formation of a new species is known as
Specify nahi, species.
species is known as speciation.
Repeat the answer again. Read कर correctly, Ishika. Answer क्या बोली? What is the word?
Species
Speciation. Pronounce it correctly. It is speciation. Repeat.
Speciation.
Speciation names.
Speciation.
Speciation. Please learn the pronunciations correctly. Okay. Agree with the answer, Sundar and Shiv Ganga? It is speciation. Okay. Next, Sundar. Tell the answer.
Darwin's theory is mainly based on natural selection.
Correct. Darwin's theory is mainly based on natural selection. Okay. Shiv Ganga, back to you. Next question.
Organs which are non-functional but were functional in our ancestors
Hmm.
are called dash organs.
Yes.
Homologous,
Is it homologous? What's the answer? Non-functional today, but they were functional in our ancestors. Yes, Sundar, what's the
Vestigial.
answer? It is
Vestigial.
vestigial. Okay, the answer is vestigial. Okay, Shiv Ganga?
okay,
Okay, yeah. Example of a vestigial organ? Anyone?
Appendix.
Correct. The vermiform appendix. Okay, good. Ishika, next question. Bol. According to this question, next time whenever you meet your relatives, you're supposed to imagine. Don't tell them, okay?
The closest relatives of human are gorillas,
Is it gorilla?
chimpanzees,
Chimpanzees, yes. ओके अपने रिलेटिव्स को गोरिल्ला नहीं बोलने का, चिंपैंजी बोलने का. ठीक है, आंसर इज चिंपैंजीज. नेक्स्ट, सुंदर.
Dash man evolved and existed just before modern human beings. Cro-Magnon man evolved and existed.
करेक्ट, दैट्स अ क्रो-मैग्नन मैन. ये जो क्रो-मैग्नन मैन है, इनका फॉसिल्स मिला था फ्रांस में. क्रो-मैग्नन रॉक्स करके एक जगह है व्हिच इज इन फ्रांस, वहां पे ये फॉसिल्स मिला था. ओके, गुड. ओके, शिवगंगा इज गॉन अगेन. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वन इशिका, यू आंसर. रीड द क्वेश्चन. Read the question, Ishika.
wisdom, peace, and foliogenal bones in
Coccygeal.
humans are examples.
Repeat कर. Coccygeal.
Coccygeal bones in humans are example of analogous.
Is it analogous? Sundar, what's the answer?
Vestigial
It
organs.
is vestigial organs. ये non-functional है ना? Coccygeal bone मतलब which is our rudimentary tail bone, which we don't have. Okay. Next, Sundar.
According to the evidences of connecting links,
Mhm.
dash have evolved from fishes,
Yes,
amphibians,
correct. It is amphibians which have evolved. Okay, good. Ishika, next one, fast.
Dash man is considered as the first example of which
Wise
man
man,
run
wise man, wise
wise man
मतलब दिमाग
uh,
वाला. हाँ.
wise wise man
Answer is,
Ramapithecus. Ramapithecus.
is it Ramapithecus? Shivganga, what's the answer for this?
Neanderthal.
No, it is Australopithecus. हाँ नहीं नहीं, wise man, sorry, Neanderthal, yes. It is Neanderthal, correct. Okay. Next, Shivganga, you answer this. Shivganga, you are getting this question?
Yes, sir.
Bol.
The book Origin of Species was written by
Who wrote that book?
Darwin.
Repeat again.
Darwin.
Darwin. It is
Darwin.
Darwin, yes, on the origin of species. And that is the book in which he explained his theory. Okay, Charles Darwin. Okay, Shivganga, answer one more.
Duck-billed platypus is connecting link between
Hmm.
reptile and
No. What's the answer, Sundar?
bird and mammal.
Yes, it is birds and mammals. Agree with that, Sundar?
yes, sir.
Yes. Last question, Sundar, you answer.
Wings of butterfly, bird and bat are examples of dash organs, analogous.
It is analogous because structurally they are different, functionally they are the same. Okay. So finally we come to the end of this small lesson. कैसा लगा? Was it interesting? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
yeah, good. So now in the next session we are going to start with another lesson. ठीक है? So textbook में एक बार just quickly देखो and बताओ which lesson do you want me to start next?